Hey, I wanted to share with you my favorite weight loss metabolism boosting tea. This tea is also good for other health issues like joint issues and different things like that, but I do use it to boost my metabolism when I just need a little kick. So let's get right into it. All right, so the first thing I do is cut up a few apples. You don't have to do the apples. The apples are for sweetness, so that it's not as bittery and peppery as it would be with the ginger and turmeric. All right, so then I have ginger, which you clean, you can peel. Just make sure you do clean it in some type of way. And you're going to cut that down into chunks for that part. And then you're going to get some water because you're going to boil your tea with your apples and your ginger just to make a mix. You could just let it sit and have like a cold brew type tea, but I do like to boil it just to activate everything. In the meantime, while that's boiling, I take some fresh water. I always use filtered water. You can use tap water if you prefer, but I do use filtered water, and I just squeeze a few fresh lemons into the water, and then I also leave them in there. Make sure if you're going to leave the lemons in there, you do wash those so those are clean. And then a fresh cucumber, and I also make sure you wash that. And you can put that into the water too. These are all good ingredients alone, but when you put them together, it gives you like a real good boost. And like I said, it's for weight loss and it's good for your health. So once the water's boiled, then I combine everything together. You can wait for the water to cool down a little bit before you combine everything. I don't put the apples back into the water that's going to be sitting around for me to drink out of, but I do add the ginger, and if you want at this point, you can add some extra turmeric or tea bags if you would like. And that's basically it. And then you would just drink this throughout the day. It lasts about a couple of days, and then you would just make a fresh batch. And remember to keep it refrigerated. If you did like, please give it a big old thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.